Alright, let's talk about Laura and Sophie Vancouver. If you've seen their so-called boutique, thestorevancouver.com, pop up on your feed, you might be wondering, is it legit or are you about to get scammed? Here's the real deal. The site leans hard into Vancouver vibes, but there's zero physical store in the city. In fact, some digging shows their info points to New York, or even further overseas. That's a massive red flag right off the bat. They usually push a dramatic going out of business or retirement sale story. You know the one. A sweet older couple, big discounts, and a ticking clock. Classic moves straight from the scam playbook. Let's talk quality. Tons of shoppers thought they were getting silky, luxurious fabrics. What actually showed up? Cheap polyester, and sometimes with no label at all. And get this, items often ship from China, taking weeks to arrive, even though you thought you were shopping local. Returns? Good luck. They'll tell you to ship your item back to the Netherlands or China, and the shipping costs more than what you paid in the first place. That's basically a dead end for your refund. It's super important not to mix these guys up with real Canadian brands like Laura Canada or Melanie Line. Those are family-owned and have actual stores across the country. So, here's the bottom line. Avoid Laura and Sophie Vancouver. If you've already ordered, don't panic. Just contact your bank or credit card provider as fast as you can and try to file a chargeback for merchandise not as described. Stay safe out there. And remember, if a deal looks too good to be true, it probably is.